Hello everybody, here it is. We're going to talk about addition equations right now. Now we know an equation is a math sentence without words. An equation is a math sentence without words. It's actually kind of how we take a math story and we put it into words. So we know that there have to be numbers. So we know a number is going to go here. This is where the story starts, always at the left, going to the right, just like when we do our writing or reading. Addition, so it's addition. What's the symbol going to look like? Show me. Now, what I would have seen you do is this. Or maybe, yeah, and I like to say, put it together. Because you're putting numbers together. You're not taking them away. Put them together. Everybody say addition. Addition. Very nice. Here we go. So you need your addition symbol, number, addition symbol, another number, and the equations we're going to do are just going to have two numbers. We call them add-ins. So a number plus a number. That's right. I hope you went like this. Equals or same as, equal to. We need the equal symbol. And of course, there's going to be another number after that. Number plus number equals a new number. Okay, so now what I'm asking you to do is make addition equations all the way up to 15. Maybe you can go collect something to start counting. I always say Legos and paper clips. I don't know why. I don't even have paper clips in my house. But maybe you've got something else. You know, there could be cars. It could be trains. It could be books. It could be crayons. It could be beads. Anything. But you want to have something to count just to make sure. Now, I know everyone in room 2 has this many fingers. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Some people don't, but we do in room 2. Now, here's the deal. I want you to get all the way up to 15. 15. You don't have 15 fingers. You could use your toes if you wanted to, but let's move some objects around. Okay. I'm going to go ahead and tell you a math story, and I want you to come up with the numbers that would go in your addition equation. Here we go. There were 7. That's your first number. You should probably write it down like this. There were 7 pigeons walking around on the sidewalk. 6 more flew in. 6 more. Okay, so there's another number. Maybe I can put that there. Now, I know we're doing addition, but I'm going to wait until I write my addition symbol until I hear the whole story. There were 7 pigeons walking around outside. 6 more flew in. How many pigeons were there all together? Together. Put it together. I said together. So I know for sure it's addition. All right, 7 pigeons plus 6 more pigeons equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 frame style. We talked about that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I drew more dots because it's a put it together. I'm not crossing out dots. That's subtraction. 7 plus 6. Okay, let's see. Now here's the top of a 10 frame, so that's 5. Here's another top of a 10 frame, that's another 5. 5 plus 5 equals 10. So I've got 10, 11, 12, 13. Now let's check to make sure. This says 13. This means that whatever's on this side is the same as what's on this side, okay? So 7 plus 6 better be 13 because I've got the equal symbol equals 13. Just double check. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13. Chickadee check. Boom. Good job, everybody. All right, let's do another math sentence. All right. I want these answers to be teen numbers. Got a little glitch right there. Okay, so we need them to be teen numbers. So that means our numbers are going to be 11, 12, 13, 14, or 15. Today, that's what we're looking at. Writing math equations up to 15. All right, so let's try another one. Found it. All right, here we go. Number plus a number equals an answer. The answer should be a teen number. All right. So let's see. You know what a lot of people are talking about right now? Toilet paper. Okay, so, well, you know what? We use toilet paper. And I noticed that I used 8. How about this? 8. 8 squares of toilet paper. And then I needed 3 more. Let's find out what the answer is going to be. All right, here we go. How many did I use all together? That's the question. All together. So let's see. I've got 8. Put it together with 3 equals how many all together? Now this time, instead of drawing the dots, I'm going to go ahead and use my fingers. All right, here we go. 8. Let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and how much more? 3 more. 8, 9, 10, 11. That'd be the third one. 11. So my answer is 11. And I can double check too, and I can just actually, instead of drawing dots, why don't I just do little tick marks? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Oh, I made a mistake. Sweet. I like mistakes. When I make them, I have to think a little harder about what I did wrong, go back and fix it so I don't make it again. Let's try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 8 and 3 is 11. Chickadee check. Boom. All right, we're going to do one more, and then you need to sit down and write your own. Remember, get those toys or whatever little objects you want to use. All right, last one. Okay. Well, so my daughters were hanging out, and they said, you know, Daddy, we want a snack. And I said, a snack? You want a snack? Are you sure you want a snack? You? And they said, uh-huh. And I said, okay, cool. Let me get you a snack. So you know what I gave them? Dried apples. Super tasty, super sweet, just delicious dried apples. Well, Finley, she said, Daddy, can I have some dried apples? And I said, yes. And so I poured some out of the bag into a little bowl for her. And I looked and I said, ooh, that looks like it's 9 dried apples. 9. And then you know what she did? Ate them all up. They were gone. And she said, Daddy, may I please have some more? And I said, why, yes, you may. So I gave her this many more. How many dried apples did Finley get all together? Together, that means put it together, equals, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Here's a group of 5. Boom, 5. Another group of 5. 10. 5, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. 9 plus 5. Now I'm going to actually show you another way to check. Start at 9. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There's my 5 more. Chickadee check. 14. Now if your answer comes out to a number that's not 11, 12, 13, 14, or 15, but you did the math correctly and it checks, good job. I do just want you to play with teen numbers. That's the big goal. But see if you can land on one of these numbers, 11, 12, 13, 14, or 15. And families, if you've got a second to sit down with your child, go ahead and tell them a math story and watch what they can do. I've seen it every day in room 2. I just walk around telling stories, and they sit there, they write out these amazing equations. Show your family what you can do, room 2. You guys are awesome.